Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at these cute little fans. Let's make it. Take a printed craft paper and make multiple folds like this. Now open it and again flip it and fold it. Make more such shapes and combine all of them together. Then we're going to make the cover like this. Fold another pink craft paper. Put a frill in the center and look, you can paste a sticker as well and it is ready. Let's make these cute little sleepers. Fold a craft paper like this and then do the same from other side. Again we are going to flip it and start folding it and look, tug it inside like this and look, it is ready. Now we are going to make other shape like this. Take another craft paper, fold it like this and then we are going to combine both of them and look, it is ready. Let's make these cute little mini beds using craft paper. We are folding a pink craft paper. We are making the body of the bed. Fold it into half and again fold it like this. Now we are going to fold it from its corners like this and tuck it inside. Now open it gently and look, you'll get a beautiful bed. Now we are making its sheets using this printed craft paper and look, it is ready. Same way we are going to make the pillows. Fold it like this and look, it is ready. Look at this cute little mask pouch. Let's make it. We are going to remove the mask like this and join two masks together and make a pouch. Now we are going to fold this paper and make a frill like this and look, it is ready. We are going to put it on its both ends. Add more details like this and look, it is almost ready. You can also paste stickers. Let's make these cute little paper bag. We are going to fold this printed craft paper and paste it using double-sided tape. Fold it like this and make a cut and then you can also paste stickers like this and look, it is ready. Let's make this star-shaped container. Fold a printed craft paper like this and again fold it. Now we are going to cut it. Look like this. Now open it and you will get a pentagon shape. Then fold it from its 5 sides like this. Again we are going to flip it and then make a crease like this in the center and look, it is ready. After that we are going to gently press it and look, you will get a star shape and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.